Hello, good morning, MMM. My name is Rianel Abelia from Calbayog City, Western Samar. So I'm making again another video to express my my thanks and appreciation to this community. So it was last September 20 when I provided help in the amount of 11,000 pesos. And then luckily, as usual, we are very lucky in this community. So I got help in the amount of 12,500 pesos last September 22, 2017. So the participants assigned to my Get Help were, there was only one participant assigned to my Get Help. He is Ang Aaron in the amount of 12,500 pesos. So the total Get Help includes bonus for testimonial video, which is 865, the Magro 30%, amounting to 11,137, another bonus for testimonial video, amounting to 169, and the crypto bonus, which is 330 pesos. So a total of 12,500 pesos Get Help last September 22, 2017. So thank you so much, MMM community, for this great opportunity and privilege. This is a great advantage to all of us, and I'm very lucky that I've been a member of this community. So this is so much a blessing for me. One of the greatest gift of God, this community. And I am now working on my classroom structuring, so I'm gonna use some amount of the money to improve my classroom structuring and for more expenses. And those who are not yet a member of this community, I'm inviting you to join. You better join now. Actually, it's not yet too late, but the earlier you join, the better. And just believe in the ideology of MMM, that when we work together here, we can also change the world together. And that when you provide help today, you will surely get help tomorrow and in the future. Thank you so much, MMM. Thank you to Sir Sergio Mavrodi, to all the participants assigned. God bless and good morning.